Arigato. Let's try the broth. Oh my god, that is so savory. Here it is, right on time. So, hi, konnichiwa. Yes.
What's your name?
Michael?
Oh.
Okay, let's go. I don't think we need a reservation, so I might as well just go up. All right, guys, we're gonna eat at Ichiran. First time here. All right, so now we are ordering our meal at Ichiran. We're gonna get the classic tonkatsu ramen with a half-boiled salted egg and extra pork. Okay, so you ordered 2 meals, right?
That's our order.
Okay.
2 classic.
2 classic. Okay, got it. Okay. All right, so what are you doing now? Oh, okay, so we're gonna circle our preferences for the ramen.
So usually this is the recommended.
Medium for the dashi, medium for the richness, medium for garlic, green onions, toppings. Yes, with sliced pork.
Spicy.
For me, just mild. I just want mild. Yeah.
Mild for both.
Yeah, mild for both. Just medium. Yeah. Yep. And the same thing for you, right? Yeah. Hi, for 2. Hi. Hi. Perfect. Right here. Is this the ticket? Hi. Arigato.
This is your first time to the beach.
First time here. Excited. Excited. Because every time I tried to come in, the line was so long. Arigato. Got 1 egg so far. Some water. Show your booth, babe. This is Sheila's booth. Tiny this booth is, but it's really cool. You feel like you have your own mini restaurant. And then basically, there's this bamboo cover, and then they're gonna lift it once they serve the food. So it's very cool. Ah, tea. Arigato. Arigato. Ichiran original tea. So this is their tea, their brand tea. Let's try it. Oh, that is good. It's not so bitter. It's very smooth. I actually like the flavor because normally I don't drink a lot of tea, but I do like this one. About to go down. Arigato. Alright guys, we're at Ichiran and I ordered the tonkatsu classic with sliced pork. So they actually give you the sliced pork separately here. And it's a pretty medium-sized bowl. You also get 1 egg with the set. And then you get the classic original tea. But yeah, this is my first time trying this, so let's dig in. Let's mix the entire bowl together first. All right, guys. Let's try the broth. Oh my god, that is so savory. The flavor is just perfect. Crack the egg open here. Alright. Drop in the egg like it's hot. Boom. Go. Oh, that is perfect. Half-boiled egg. Love it. Love it. Love it. Oh, wow. This is really good. Wow, that's good. The noodles, it's the way I like it. Medium firmness. The broth is not so thick. It's not like super dense, but just enough to kind of put everything together. I'm gonna add a little bit more sliced pork to mine. Let that sink in the bowl. Let it soak all the goodness of the broth. Wow. Oh man, that pork is perfectly cooked too. Oh yeah. Wow. Goddamn. That is so good. That is good ramen. Might as well put the rest of my pork inside the broth here. Some more protein. Wow. That is good. That's really good. I think the great thing about this ramen is that it's very well balanced, especially if you choose medium all the way down the line for your preference. Like nothing overpowers each ingredient, or even the egg even just adds a little bit more of that savory goodness to it. And yeah, it's just overall good flavor with good balance. Really delicious. If you are a true Filipino and you're at a ramen spot, what do you have to order? This one ordered freaking rice.
Rice is life.
Grabe talaga this
Tell me
one.
you're Filipino and I'm telling
Grabe
you.
talaga this one.
It's perfect combination.
Oh man, that was some good ramen. I can't believe she ordered rice with the ramen. But overall, that was one of the best ramens so far on our trip.
Filipino,
If
the
you're a
meal's
Filipino.
not complete if you can't eat rice. All Filipinos out there.
But yeah, guys, if you do come to Japan, you gotta try Ichi Ramen. They have it everywhere, all throughout Japan.
Let's try ramen in
Yeah,
Japan.
you gotta try it. So, well, alright guys, this is the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you on the next one.